So now let's get into some simple prompt starters. This isn't necessarily prompt engineering because we're not really crafting a very detailed prompt, but I just wanted to put together a set of 30 to give you some ideas of quick things that you can use. So let's check this out. So outlined below are 30 concise and simple prompts that are aimed at just really inspiring you and offering quick value. So if you're experiencing writer's block or seeking to establish a new daily routine or some insights on business ventures, these are just some cool prompts to jumpstart you on next steps before we really get into the good stuff. So you can just use these as a little bit of a cheat sheet when you need some more inspiration. So we can define the following term and give a metaphor if we need some more explanation on something. We can elaborate on the purpose of something, create a template, construct an outline for a podcast, create a budget plan, and suggest some creative writing prompts to get me started. Brainstorm 10 ideas for improving the writing in this transcript. Draft a well thought out chapter list for a book on, and list some recipes for using these ingredients. So this should just be a nice little list for you to keep on your computer that you can use in your daily life.